walk outside and no one would stop her.
No one would stop the real Tina
No one
Fey.
would stop the real Tina Fey, but they would just take all these other women, and so he said that scene was kind of his little nod to Tina.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
I did too.
I love that. All right, so next we go back into the office, and more flowers arrive for Phyllis from Bob Vance.
Not
Not for Pam,
Oh,
for Phyllis.
Pam is getting annoyed. You know who else is taking it hard?
Meredith.
Meredith. Like,
She's taking it real
she's
hard.
looking real sour.
Yeah. Well, then we have this awesome opening sequence right here. And then she says, I haven't gotten it.
I haven't gotten anything.
No.
Now, this has nothing to do with the scene, but I have to bring it up right now because this is the first one I'm going to get a full shot of me right on camera.
Yep.
Do I look tan? Do I look a little tan?
Yes, now that you mention it.
Oh, I am very tan because in my journal, you guys, I wrote, we shot this during the Golden Globes when I got that Mystic spray tan.
Oh, that's right. When we went to the Golden Globes, when Steve won,
Yeah.
you got a spray tan that was real dark.
It was orange. Guys, I watched this episode and the next one. I am like orange for 2 weeks.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I am so tan. It's ridiculous. And they tried to like make my face look lighter. Like I
You
wrote
tried to tone it down.
I wrote about it in my journal that they tried to tone down my tan. But what happened was I just look weird.
I thought you looked good in this episode.
Well, I have a Mystic tan.
Oh,
A spray tan. But anyway, when I watched that scene, all I could see was my very, very tan forehead. And next to Rain, I look crazy tan because he's so white. But yes, I am given Dwight. He says the best gift ever.
yeah.
And then he promises that he has one for you, which I'm very happy about. And then he clearly realizes, oh no, now I have to deliver.
Exactly. Exactly. He says you'll get something by the end of today. He needs to give himself some time
Yeah.
to get something. All right, so then we have the scene where Jim is on the phone.
Oh,
He's making plans with his poker buddies.
John Krasinski does such great fake phone. You guys,
Great fake
phone.
phone.
Fake phone is not easy.
No, there's no one on the other
I
end of that
fully
call.
believed he's talking to someone, and his laugh seems so organic.
Yeah,
I'm like, John, applause for fake phone skills.
great fake phone. Really, really good.
And this is also sort of the time in their relationship, if we will, where Jim, I mean, you have a wedding date. Yeah, it's like all that Pam is talking about really is like planning the wedding. And Jim really starts to pull away. And then you see Pam feeling that absence.
Well, and remember, in the last episode, they got in a full fight
Yeah,
about Pam's decision to not pursue her graphic design internship.
yeah.
And so I think Jim kind of feels like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I don't know where I fit in anymore.
Yeah, and she's getting married.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then a giant teddy bear arrives. And it's being delivered by two guys in Vance refrigeration outfits. They were played by our writing team of Gene Stupnitsky and Lee Eisenberg. But you only see Gene. Lee got cut out.
Lee got cut out. It's in the deleted scene.
Yeah, they get in a fist fight.
Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous.
But Gene is the person who says, Phyllis Lappin? So if you're wondering which one is Gene and which one is Lee, Gene is in this episode. And they come back later. They're going to recur and you'll actually get to see Lee.
There's a very funny little sort of exchange between Gene and Brian as Kevin, where Kevin's like, that thing's as big as me. And Gene's like, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Kind of like, zip it.
So now Michael has finally made it to his meeting. He's done wandering the streets of New York. And he's going to meet with the other branch managers in a conference room. And I just want to mention, we said this earlier, this part of it was not shot in New York. This was shot on some stages.
Right there where we film every day in California.
Yes. Look out the window. They did such a good job. The backdrop, it really looks like they're up high in a building in New York.
No, our
The trickery is so good.
Our set design team was phenomenal.
Yeah, but really they are on ground level in a warehouse
In Van
in a
Nuys,
set.